So this is just a normal backtesting video. So here we are going to just backtest 15 minutes time frame, and we are going to compare between Bank Nifty versus HDFC versus ICICI Bank. Okay, so we are going to find out the support and resistance, how it's been working for the September month. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so first off, I'm taking is today 16th. Okay, so this is HDFC, this is ICICI. Okay, so the open was here for HDFC open was here, ICICI open was here, and then here it took resistance. So here Bank Nifty also started to fall. It took resistance here, so Bank Nifty was falling. Okay, because it was a stop for these two zones. Then again here this candle, you see, this went up. So again it went up because HDFC came down, Bank Nifty was unable to cross. Okay, so it was respecting HDFC and ICICI Bank for 16th. Okay, now next is 13th. Okay, so this is 13th chart. Okay, so you see the major open was here, open range, then for here for HDFC, here for ICICI. Okay, so now what happened? HDFC went up, this also went up, ICICI went up and then stayed in a zone, but the gave went down and then again fall here. This fall you could watch, and then went up. So this also went up and then had a resistance here. Okay, so this was working. Now we'll go to the 12th chart. So this was 12th. Now I'll take 12th chart. This was 12th. So that let us just put some lines so that we don't get confused. Okay, so I'm just going to add vertical line. Okay, so for this and then for here one more. Okay, so one more is 215, 330. Okay, so 330. Okay, so this should do. Okay, so 950. Okay, so this is the zone. Straight analyze. Okay, so you see here it just went in the straight line, but this was going down. Okay, so that's why it was unable to break the low. But then this candle, you see, it spiked here, so which is very bullish. So see, all the three of them has the same condition. It just went up, so this also went up, this also went up. Okay, so yeah, this was pretty good. Now we'll go to 11th and just move this to 11th. Okay, now let's try to analyze. Okay, so this is 11th to 12th. You see, open was here, open, and then here open was here, and then it went up, this also went up, took resistance. Whenever this takes resistance, that Bank Nifty, it is reflected in Bank Nifty. Okay, and it was slowly falling, this was slowly going up. So this has been matched here, and then this zone has remained downtrend. Okay, we are just taking HDFC and ICICI, but remember we have to take Kotak and SPIN as well as Axis Bank, but these two are major which moves Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I'm taking these two and trying to analyze. Okay, now we would move to 10th. Okay, so this is 10th. Now let's analyze this. Okay, so the open was here, 3 candles down, 3 candles down, 3 candles down. Okay, and then it just went up. After being sideways here, it also took resistance. This also went up and took resistance. Okay, so this is easily following on 10th. Okay, now we will go the next date, that is on 9th. So this is 9th. Okay, we'll go SSI, which is technically a little bit different. So let's try to analyze here. Okay, so you see here open was here, then it just went up, it just went up, just went up, took resistance. Here also resistance is reflected, and 2 candles down, 2 candles down. Here also 2 candles down. Again it went up, and then it is reflected in bank nifty. Okay, now we will go and check 6th. Let me just go to 6th. Okay, so this is 6th, and let's try to fit in. Okay, so now what happened? Okay, so here open is here, 3 candles down, 3 candles down, and down. So here you could see again, and then just went down, then but this is going up. So these two were opposite, but little bit of stagnant period here, and then you see the major fall was here, major fall was here, again the major fall was here. Okay, so a tight zone and these two can actually give us more ideas. So we'll go to 5th. So this actually works very good during the sideways market, as you could see here. 5th was sideways. Okay, so this was sideways, and then ICICI was also sideways. Okay, now let's analyze here. Open was here. This was going up, but this was going down. This was going down very sharply, so it just went down. It took resistance here, it took support here, so it stopped here. Okay, then where is the stop? Here. So here you see it was a stagnant period, so it just went up and then down again, then up, then down, and the last candle, here's a big candle, it took support here, so this also took support here. So almost you can find whether it's going to have a breakout or not. Now we'll go to 4th. This is 4th. Let's just bring it in the range. Okay, see here. Okay, now here you see this was here open range. Okay, now you see a big red candle here also took support here, this also went to support, and here it was a resistance, here it was a resistance, here also it was a resistance, and the whole day just been in the zone, and then this is also been in the zone, and this ICICI candle has reflected here a little bit. Okay, now we will go to the 3rd. I'll just move to 3rd. Okay, now we'll see what happened here. Try to push. So here it's very beautiful. See, open was here, so red candle, here green candle, but bank nifty it was red. Okay, so here it took support, here it took resistance, so that's why it was taking support, but the end here it was moving up, and 3 candles moving up. So you see the trend was very beautiful. Now we will go to the September month. Okay, so that's it. I think we have come to the end chart. We'll try to analyze here. Okay, if it was a little bit bigger, then the understanding would be very good. Okay, so here you see big red candle, red candle, red candle. Then you see the major resistance here. Okay, but here it was nearly support. Then here it was green candle, so here it moved, but this might be a reason for Kotak or Espinosa, but then again it fall. Here also you could see the fall. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. Thank you, and stay tuned to my channel for more updates like this.